Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yep, yay! Today's video, I'm going to be redoing a little small shelf, and I got this idea from a channel called Furniture Flipping Teacher. So, I'm really excited. At least I think that's the name of it. I'm pretty sure that's the name. She has all kinds of cool videos on her channel, so go check her out if you want. She's really cool. It has all kinds of like good tips and everything if you are a furniture flipper. And yeah, this is my daughter Jalen, and let's get into it.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden desires. So I'll throw
Okay, so I guess if I really want it to look good, I have to take it apart. I was trying to avoid that because I just woke up and it's really early. Everyone's asleep right now. But the garage is on the opposite side of the bedroom, so I figured they're not going to hear me sanding. But I was trying to just be faster. But you know what? I think 2023 is all about slowing down. Don't be in a rush. Take your time. You know, be in the moment. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to use this, take these off, and take my time. Let's do this.
Another vice, grab my old lighter. This cigar helps me slow down. Thinking back to all I loved and lost. My heart is full and aching strong. So I'll throw
So I'm done with the board, but I'm not actually sure what I want to do with these because, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll just have like this kind of stand out, like the dark color stand out in here. For one, I think that'll look good. And it's kind of hard to sand this. It's doable, but... And then sand each side and just kind of like roughly sand here. I don't know. This is hard to get off, but which is strange because like as I'm trying to take it off, I actually kind of like it. So I'm gonna leave that like that for now and see how this board turns out after I'm done with it, and see if it goes well together. It's not perfectly sanded or anything, but for the most part, all the black is off. Well, it was actually like a dark brown kind of black. And I am going to actually leave these two just like that. And they're not perfectly matchy-matchy, but it's fine. I'm not worried about that kind of stuff. I just wipe them down with a damp rag, as I said before, and I'm going to let them sit for a while, and I will get back into it. I used this cheap little apple barrel paint that I had to do touch-ups in the front of my house, and I rubbed it into all the pieces of wood, and this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to go over it using dark walnut. This is my favorite stain. Okay, so I'm going to use that dark walnut stain, and I'm going to rub it into the shelf, and I love you too. I love you too. What? What do you want? What do you want? Anyways. Oh gosh. What? So I'm gonna get that done. Damn it. So as you guys could see, I totally messed up. You know, I just wanted to leave that clip in there because I feel like as creators, it's our duty to let you know we're human too. And I also wanted to let you know probably it's not a good idea to start projects really early in the morning when you're exhausted. I don't even think I finished a full cup of coffee at this point too. So I don't know what I was thinking. I know that you're supposed to put the stain on a rag first. So I don't know what I was thinking. But what I did here is I reapplied the paint and I tried to rub it in real good and eventually get my rag more wet, and then I rub it in better. But I just wanted to let you know that it's okay. We all mess up. I'm not a professional. I mean, you know, I'm just over here making videos, trying to make my house look good. That's it. So I wanted to leave that in here for you guys and let you know what I did. I had to put a few more coats of the paint, but I let it dry eventually and then added some more. I should probably also add that I was actually pretty much empty on the stain, and that's probably part of the reason why I banged it onto the wood to get out. But regardless, like, I should have just done that on top of the rag. And so here I'm realizing, like, oh my gosh, I have like nothing left, and I'm trying to just do this project, get it done back up in my kitchen, and I was a little frustrated. But right here I was kind of like, I don't know what to do, and I'm like, just put it away for now. Luckily, my husband just came home and got me another one. It was a little smaller, but it was perfect. It's all I need. It actually lasts a long time. It can be stretched to go a long ways. Now, I was laughing at the beginning of this clip right here because I could not for the life of me get that cap off, the little white cap. I could not get it off, and so my husband took it off for me finally, and so I was laughing about that. But here we are adding stain again.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm going